Today, Toyota Gazoo Racing and Lexus made one of the biggest performance announcements of 2025. In a global premiere streamed from Japan, the brands revealed not one, but three major performance machines each, representing a different direction for Toyota's future. First, the spotlight landed on the Toyota GR GT, a sleek, long-hood, road-focused performance concept that carries the spirit of Toyota's next-generation sports division. We only saw the design, no specs yet, but the sharp LED signature, the sculpted proportions, and the GT badging confirm one thing: Toyota is preparing a brand new chapter for its performance lineup. Next came the GR GT3, the track-ready racing version. This model is built for real competition, especially the GT3 category: a massive rear wing, aggressive aero, a wide stance, and pure motorsport engineering. Toyota confirmed that this machine is aimed directly at international racing platforms, solidifying their presence in global motorsport. And then Lexus stepped in with the surprise of the event: the LFA Concept, a futuristic successor inspired by the legendary V10 Hypercar. The silhouette matches Lexus's new performance identity: low, sharp, electrified, and unmistakably premium. This concept represents the future of Lexus performance, possibly hybrid or fully electric. Toyota also confirmed the event timing officially: December 5th, 2025, 11:00 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. JST, reshared publicly through their global YouTube livestream. This premiere wasn't about specs, numbers, or horsepower claims. It was about design, direction, and the future of high-performance engineering. A statement that Toyota and Lexus are entering a new era on the road, on the track, and far beyond. And here at HighEnd Motors, we'll continue bringing you every major update from Toyota, Lexus, and the entire performance world with clean, official, and verified information only. Stay tuned, because this is only the beginning of Toyota's next performance revolution. And if you want to follow every step of this journey, make sure you're subscribed to HighEnd Motors.